Floral Design Institute, we know you are crazy busy with the holidays. This week's how-to video, foam-free, fast, long-lasting, perfect for today. The materials and mechanics: beautiful vase filled with floral netting, taped in place so it doesn't pop out, a great water reservoir so it will make it very long-lasting, evergreen foliages, protea that lasts so great, and then one of my favorite items, festival bush. Very short availability, but isn't that grand? All of this very long-lasting. First step, adding in foliages to create a base, giving it a cut so that it will drink well, staying alive, anchoring it down into the floral netting, letting it drape, coming in with the festival bush, breaking it down, taking off the side laterals, and then placing it in, adding that brightness. And repeat that, radiating completely around till it's lush and full. With the nest established and the floral netting, adding in the protea is nice and easy. It'll stay right where you want it to be, nestled in, giving you a very strong emphasis for the overall arrangement. For a final step, enhancing with beautiful spray roses, getting a little bit of brightness, picking up the color of the festival bush, and some antique carnations in the soft peachy hue. The monochromatic palette is perfect for a contemporary home. The recipe: I started with the festival bush, and I used almost the entire bunch, and then added a little bit of evergreen to enhance. Then 5 protea, 6 of the antique carnation, and 7 of the spray roses. And you can see it makes it full, lush, and fabulous. Long-lasting, fabulous, and a fresh take on the traditional red and green for the holiday. You'll find more creative inspiration on the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. Now, it's your turn. What are you going to create? Be sure to take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.